Hello, fellow travelers and bridge enthusiasts. Today, we are embarking you on a journey to explore one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Golden Gate Bridge. But there is more to this stunning structure than meets the eye. The Golden Gate Bridge, with its distinctive international orange color, is not only a masterpiece of engineering but also a symbol of San Francisco and the United States. Here are some fascinating facts about this magnificent structure. The fact number one is Golden Gate Bridge construction. The construction of the Golden Bridge began in 1933 during the Great Depression and was completed in just over 4 years ahead of the schedule. It was a remarkable feat given the challenging and treacherous conditions in the region. Fact 2. The bridge unique color. The bridge's eye-catching international orange color isn't just an aesthetic choice. It was selected for its visibility in San Francisco's frequent fog and its ability to blend with the natural surroundings. Fact number 3. Iconic Art Deco elements. The Golden Gate Bridge is a work of art in itself. Its Art Deco design features intricate details, including graceful arches and decorative elements, making it a true architectural marvel. Fact number 4. Record-breaking span. At the time of its completion in 1937, the Golden Gate Bridge held the record for the longest main span in the world, spanning 4,200 feet. It remained the longest until the Verrazano Narrows Bridge in New York surpassed it in 1964. Fact number 5. Wind-resistant design. The Golden Gate Bridge is designed to sway and flex in high winds and during earthquakes. This flexibility helps the bridge withstand the region's frequent seismic activity. Fact number 6. Preservation efforts. To maintain its iconic appearance, the Golden Gate Bridge undergoes constant maintenance and preservation work. In fact, the entire bridge is repainted continuously to protect it from the elements. The Golden Gate Bridge is not just a structure, it's a symbol of San Francisco, a vital transportation link and a beloved icon. Whether you're crossing it by car, walking across, or just taking in the breathtaking views, it's an experience you won't forget. So there you have it, a glimpse into the history, engineering and significance of the Golden Gate Bridge. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel and history content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and keep wandering.